Welcome to this tutorial on how to hide a collection in Shopify. A crucial skill for managing your online store's product organization and customer experience. Hiding a collection can help you remove outdated or seasonal products from view without deleting them entirely. To begin, log into your Shopify admin panel and navigate to the Collections section. Here you will see a list of all your existing collections. Locate the collection you want to hide and click on it to access its settings. In the collection settings, scroll down to the visibility section. This is where you control whether your collection is visible to customers or not. To hide the collection, click on the checkbox next to Hide Collection to disable it. Once you have unchecked the visibility box, click Save to apply the changes. Your collection will now be hidden from customers browsing your store. Note that hiding a collection does not affect its contents, and the products within it will still be accessible through other means, such as direct links or search results. It is essential to understand that while hiding a collection removes it from your store's navigation and product listings, it does not delete the collection or its products. This means you can easily restore the collection at a later time by reversing the steps outlined above. Best practices for hiding collections include regularly reviewing your collections to ensure they are up to date and relevant, and considering the use of collection organization features, such as subcollections, to better manage your products. By following these steps and tips, you can effectively hide a collection in Shopify and maintain a streamlined and customer-friendly online store.